Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the XTOOL Anyscan A30M wireless OBD scanner, a compact but powerful diagnostic tool that works with both Android and iPhone. Whether you're a car enthusiast, DIY mechanic, or a professional, this little gadget promises dealer-level diagnostics right from your smartphone. But does it really deliver? Let's find out. So what makes this scanner stand out? Well, the Anyscan A30M connects wirelessly via Bluetooth to your smartphone and offers a ton of features. Scheduled vehicle maintenance with the A30M can keep your vehicle in peak condition and save big on dealership trips. XTOOL Anyscan A30M features with essential reset functions, such as all reset, EPB reset, SAS, ABS brake bleeding, throttle relearn, and injector coding. XTOOL A30M is your trusty bidirectional scan tool that can send commands to the vehicle to see you to perform various active tests of various vehicle parts and subsystems to detect their working status, like fuel pump, injector, C-clutch, window, sunroof, etc. That's helpful for dyers to shorten troubleshooting and repair time. Experience the power of an O-level full system diagnostic scan tool. XTOOL A30M can thoroughly scan all available systems, including engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, AC, and more, ensuring comprehensive insights into your vehicle's health. Experience intuitive graphing for detailed data in real time, making it easier to identify issues and trends, etc. Embrace the future with XTOOL A30M's fast and stable wireless diagnosis. No more cable limitations. Enjoy mobility up to 33 feet. It's the perfect compact diagnostic scanner for those who prefer wireless diagnostics. Compatible with 85 American, European, and Asian car makes, providing an abundance of diagnostic options through Bluetooth connectivity with your smartphone. The XTOOL Anyscan A30M wireless OBD scanner includes free lifetime software updates for all app service functions. With a single payment, enjoy full access to diagnostics, reset tools, and maintenance features, no recurring fees. A budget-friendly choice for home car owners and dyers, supporting vehicles from 1996 onward. Let's break it down: what I love about the Anyscan A30M, and what could be better. Pros: wireless and easy to use, advanced diagnostics, compact and portable, no subscription fees. And cons: limited bidirectional control, may not support all functions on every vehicle. So, if you're interested, I've dropped the link in the description for more details and where to buy. Be sure to check it out. So, is the XTOOL Anyscan A30M worth it? For under $150, check the latest price in the description. This is a solid OBD scanner that packs in pro-level features at a budget-friendly price. Whether you're a weekend dyer or a professional mechanic, it's a great tool to have. I'll leave a link below if you want to check it out. Also, let me know in the comments what's your favorite OBD scanner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome car tech reviews. See you in the next one.